Hallo Schüler. So, heute lernen wir So geht das 2. So, today we are not going to learn any grammar or a lesson, but we are going to learn the extra information which is given in this book. Now, let me show you. Now, this is your Seite Nummer 9, that is your page number 9. So, after so many lessons in this book, they have given some extra information which is related to the text. Okay, so we are going to learn that. So, this is Das Verkehrsmittel, मतलब vehicles. Okay. Sei Vorsicht beim Fahren, that is be careful during driving. Vorsicht sein means to be careful. Beim मतलब during and fahren is to drive. Now here they have already given different vehicles with their article. The articles are very important and the meanings. So I'm not going to read out the meanings for you as it is in English. You can read it. But I'm going to read all the vehicle names with their article auf Deutsch. Okay. So you can learn the pronunciation. So I'm starting with this. Der Zug, das Auto, der Lastwagen, das Fahrrad, das Flugzeug, der Bus oder der Omnibus, das Schiff, das Boot, die Rakete, das Moped, das Motorrad, die Straßenbahn, die U-Bahn, der Hubschrauber, der Caravan, das Taxi, der Wagen. So these were the Verkehrsmittel. Now let's learn the Kleidungsstücke, which is on page number 25, that is 25. The Kleidungsstücke means the clothings. Kleider machen Leute. The clothes makes the people, means what? If a doctor is wearing his particular clothes, then we can easily identify him. Same like a lawyer. So that's why they are saying the clothes makes the people. Now I'm reading this again auf Deutsch only. So let's start from the Kleider, that is clothes. Now the first one is their Anorak. Second, their Anzug. Third, their Badeanzug. Fourth, the Badehose. Fünf, the Bluse. Next, the Flieger. Next, their Gürtel. Next, the Handtusche. The Handschuhe. Next, das Hemd. Next, die Hose, der Hut, die Jacke, das Kleid, das Kostüm, die Krawatte, die kurze Hose, der Mantel, die Mütze, der Pullover, der Pullover, der Rock, die Sandalen. Okay, now some more are there. Their sari, their shawl, their Schlafanzug, their shoe, die Socke, die Stiefel, their Strumpf, das T-Shirt, das Unterhemd, die Unterhose. So these all were the Kleidungs. Now let's learn their Schmuck, matlab jewelry. Now this is not only the earrings or something that girls wear, it's all the kind of jewelry or something accessories we can say which all the boys and girls wear. Now let's start from this. Der Anhänger, das Armband, die Armbanduhr, die Brille, die Halskette, der Manschettenkopf, der Nasenringe, der Overringer, die Schliefer, die Zandel, die Sonnenbrille und der Ring. So these are all the accessories which we have learned from page number 26. Now let's learn the Schulsachen, which is on page number 33. Now Schulsachen मतलब stationery items. Okay, so here they have given explanation or a question. Was nimmst du mit zur Schule? So nehmen is to take. What do you take along with you in the school or to the school? So let's read that. Das Buch, das Heft, der Block, die Mappe, der Bleistift, der Kuli, der Fueler, der Radiergummi, das Lineal, der Farbstift, der Pinsel, der Malkasten, die Federtasche, die Schultasche, die Gitarre, der Stundenplan, der Atlas. Some more are there. Das Pausenbrot, der Spitzer, das Blatt, die Schere, der Taschenrechner. Okay, now let's learn this. Was gehört zur Schule? Gehören means belongs to. What all items which belongs to the school, that we are going to learn. Now let's start from first one. Der Stuhl, die Bank, der Tisch, der Schrank, das Regal, die Tafel, der Computer, die Kreide, der Schwamm, das Bild, die Landkarte, die Wanduhr, der Fernseher, der Papierkorb, der Zeigerstab. So these are all the we have learned stationery items and the things which belongs to the school. Now let's learn the Sprichwörter. So this Sprichwörter are on the page number 41, that is 41. Sprichwörters are nothing but the some sayings or adverbs we can say. So Abwechslung wirkt Wunder. The diversion or variety appears as a wonder. It makes wonder. So they have given here the photos also and they are explaining. So let's learn this first. Ohne Fleisch kein Preis. No pain, no gain. Next, let's learn this. Wissen ist Macht. Knowledge is a power. Es ist noch kein Meister vom Himmel gefallen. No one is born master or no one is directly fallen from the sky. Lehrjahre sind keine Herrenjahre. So, life is not easy at the bottom. Means when you are a student, you must study. You can't enjoy that much of TV and other things. Of course, other activities are important. Let's learn this. Man lernt nicht für die Schule, sondern fürs Leben. This is very important for you students. One doesn't learn for the school. One learns for the life. Okay. Now let's learn some more are there. Was Hähnchen nicht lernt Hans nimmer. So a tree must be bent while it's young. Okay, so you can't teach an old trick to a new dog. Oh, sorry, you can't teach an old dog new trick. Means when you are a young, you can learn new things, but when you will become elder or grown up, it's somewhat difficult to learn the new things. Let's learn this. Dem Tustigen gehört die Welt. The fortune favors the brave. If you are brave enough to do some things, you will definitely get the what you want. Let's learn this. Musikgang ist aller Laster Anfang. An ideal brain is the devil's workshop. If you won't use your brain, then it is of no use. Morgen, nur nicht heute, sagen alle faulen Leute. So what the lazy people are telling? Tomorrow, not today. Okay, so they are not completing any work immediately. They are just postponing their work. All the lazy people. Now, let's learn the last one. Wo ein Wille ist auch ein Weg. Where there is a will, there is a way. Okay, so I hope you have understood this much. Okay, so there are some more, I know, but till for today's video we are going to learn this much. So I hope you have understood all this extra information which they have given. Okay, so for further information or for knowing the grammar topics and everything, so you can follow us on a WhatsApp, on a Facebook page. The link I have already mentioned in the video description. Okay, so follow us, and if you want to join my classes, you will get all the details on my Facebook page. So danke, cheers.